Hi VIPs, it's that time of the week again when we have a fantastic new launch at CraftStash, and today it's my brand Textures. I'm excited about this. We've got one new item, so we're not breaking the bank this time. One new item for me to show you, but we are also re-releasing some older items that were ever so popular when we first had them out. So come on down to my desk and let's take a look at these. So starting with the new items, this is a set of stencils. Now these are some of the most popular stencils that we've ever had in the textures range. They've been kind of shrunk down a little bit and they've been put onto these really cool tags. So you can then join them all together. Do you notice they've got a hole at the top of each one? I'll go through the designs at the moment. We've also got in here a book ring, so you can attach them all onto here and keep them. And then hopefully in future textures ranges, we're going to have some additional tags to add to the collection as well. So the designs we've got are, first of all, the typewriter font. This was actually half of a previous stencil. I absolutely loved this one. I use this probably more than any other. If you want a sort of grungy distressed background, it's perfect. So we've got that one. We've then got the sunburst or the starburst. Again, very, very popular. Absolutely looks beautiful behind items. So I'll show you some examples in a moment of some things using this. This is another one. This was, I believe, from my brush strokes collection. So it's some florals. Now we've used the same florals, but we have mixed them about a bit. So if you did get the previous stencil, this is slightly different. But again, as you can see, gorgeous, gorgeous florals. I can't wait to do some techniques with that. And then we've also got the damask pattern too. Absolutely stunning. You can repeat this design as well because it's that diamond. You could put another one of these here, 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 and so on, and fill an entire panel. So let's just take a look at a couple of examples of some of the stencils. As you can see in the background there, I did this on a live just a little while ago. So I've got the starburst behind the butterfly there. I've actually got the font just stenciled into this heart behind here. The damask pattern I've used along with another item, the letter stencils that I'm going to show you in a moment, to give these really fun textured and inked letters. You can spell out any word or initials you want to that way. And then we've also got the starburst on this mixed media piece with the white, or it's actually the pearlescent texture paste from Colorology. It's the one that's called, I think it's Moonlight it's called. So I've used that just here and here to add some beautiful texture. So that is the stencils, that's the main item. So this is like a mini collection, just one item that we're going to be launching today that's brand new. So you may have seen the other items before, but that is available and that is going to be on CraftStash for VIPs immediately now. And then tomorrow we will be launching to everybody else. Now with these, I'm going to be doing a live on the CraftStash Facebook page tomorrow. That's going to be Friday the 14th, Valentine's Day, and that's going to be at 12:30 GMT, so lunchtime. So I hope you can join me for that. Now, something else that I use an awful lot, you've probably seen me pull this out of my stash when I've been doing mixed media. These are 4 stamps set out so that you can use half of them if you wish, or you can use the other half. You can just use the heart, you can use the heart aperture, but essentially you've got a script stamp, you've got the really funky letters, you've got the oldie worldy book, and you've got this cool, almost like corrugated cardboard type design background there, and you can just use parts of each of those stamps as well to build up texture, dimension, just pattern if you want to. So that is launching now. Something that I'm literally now waiting to arrive, but it's the grey board that matches this. So there's grey board pieces you can buy that are cut to match these stamps, so you can stamp onto the grey board as well. So that is also, you'll find that under the launch, under the Colorology Collection. That's a mouthful, but you'll find that under there as well. Then I've already alluded to these, so the alphabet stamps. This was previously from the Remarkable Mandalas collection. We've got large letters. We've got every letter of the alphabet in these stencils. They're really good fun because you can literally spell out a name, spell out any word you want to, pick out a focal word, add smaller letters around it to make a sentence, whichever. But I love to combine these, as I've already said, with the stencils, the new stencils, and that's what I did here. So you'll actually see a reel of this, a short video popping up on social media from CraftStash very soon, but simply inking inking through the letter in one colour, then leaving the stencil in place and putting the pattern stencil over the top and inking through in a darker colour, so you're effectively inking through two stencils and you get this really fun pattern. It's another technique I will show you tomorrow during the live. Then, because we're talking about texture, we have got two embossing folders. These were launched with the Opulence collection. I love these. They are cut and emboss folders, so not just embossing folders. The bottom section of each, so this beautiful flourish and the script, they are embossing folders. But within the folder we have dies as well. So each of these really fun plaques, these all have the outline die there, so they will cut at the same time as they emboss, which makes creating embellishments like these really, really quick and simple. Maybe just a dash of gilding wax over the top and you know you're really good to go. The same with the keys and the locks, so you can probably just about see in there you've got the die inside. Run it through your machine once, you're going to cut and emboss at the same time. I think I've got another one there. There's another example of one of the, can you see which one I like the most? So you've got another example there. Now the numbers are irrelevant, what dates and numbers are on there. So you've got number 1, which is perfect for things like Father's Day, for example. You've got printed for you 1802, produced with love 2024. Obviously we're in 25 now, doesn't matter, it's just numbers, it's just an embellishment. And established 1952. And then also, actually I'll just show you this card. So in the background there on that beautiful pearlescent cardstock, we've got the gorgeous flourish embossing there. That's from the Ornate Keys set. It's absolutely stunning. I just love, love, love that design. So one other item that I've got to show you from this range that's launching, well, relaunching, is the Fixtures and Fittings Star. So this is the riveted metal star die. This is a large die. And what happens is when you run it through your die cutting machine, you will actually have all of these rivets and the cross hatches all embossed into your cardstock. You can use your inks and you can use your gilding wax and your paints on it if you wish. And then you've got everything you need to just fold that up into a 3-dimensional star to go on your projects. If you want to save this and then reuse it again around Christmas time, putting 2 of these back to back makes a fantastic Christmas tree decoration as well, even just in gold or silver, whatever colours you wish. I've actually done it in acetate with snow inside before. You can put LED lights inside. Yeah, you can really have lots of fun with this, but it's a 3D die and it's absolutely beautiful. When I took this to TV, this sold out in the first 5 minutes, so we've got it all back in stock now, so you'll find that on CraftStash too. So there's your new and revisited items for this launch. I hope you love all the textures pieces as much as me, and I hope you can join me at 12:30 tomorrow. That's Friday the 14th of February on the Facebook page for CraftStash, and I will be going through lots and lots of different stencil techniques to show you what you can be doing with the new items. Thank you for joining me, everybody. Have a lovely evening and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye.